Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I uploaded a vlog for you and told you guys that I had a video you would not want to miss. I was so excited to get to this part that I almost skipped recording just to do what I had to do. When we were in Walmart, I purchased this Just for Men mustache and beard dye. So I have been wanting to tint my eyebrows for a while. If you guys remember, I had them done last year, I guess, at the ladies salon that does my lashes, or that did my lashes then, because I haven't had them done since last year. But it was like 20 bucks for them to like tweeze it and tint it, and I felt like it looked good, but it didn't last long at all. So I purchased this for like 8 bucks, and I'm gonna do it myself. One of my friends at work actually said she's used this before, and I completely forgot all about it until I started looking up like the best ways to kind of do your own eyebrows at home, and saw several recommendations of this product. So they do have other brow tinting kits specifically for brows. I've seen some people say they use regular hair dye, but I mean, because this is meant to go on the face, I'm assuming that that's why they suggest using this over that, because regular hair dye, I mean, you know, it's going to wash out quicker. Typically a man is washing their face, right? You should be, every time that you are in the shower or getting up or whatever you do in the morning or at night. So yeah, this goes on your face, so this is better for the brows. Yeah. So the color I went with was M35 medium brown. And I've already got a little color in from this is actually a brown mascara. So I'm going to take this off and we're going to get started. So there wasn't like much light at my vanity, not that this is any better, but it's a lot better than what was going on over there. Let's go ahead and open this up before I take my brows off. Actually, it does come with some gloves. I think those will just get in the way. It has some instructions. I'm going to read those briefly. It has this little plastic kit where we're going to pour out our developer and color. Ooh. So it comes with the color developer. It comes with our color base. And it has this brush, which is too big for our brows. So I'm going to get a makeup brush, clean it off real quick and use that. And I'll probably use this to mix these two together. I've also got some Vaseline because I know some people do it and some people don't. I don't have a lot of brows to begin with, and I don't want dye like anywhere else on my face. I don't think this is going to really be runny or anything, but I don't want any like on my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and when I take my brows off, I'm going to put a little Vaseline around like the outline, and I'm also going to kind of clean up my brows a little bit before we do all of that. Let me grab a makeup brush real quick for my brows and then take off my mascara that I have on, and I'm going to read the instructions real quick and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I know I look entirely crazy, but that is okay. I went ahead and just brushed my brows and tweezed from down here some little strays I had going on. No need to trim or tweeze up here. Directions look super easy. I'm not going to do a skin test, even though it does suggest it if you may be allergic or anything. We're literally just going to squeeze the color base into the tray, squeeze the developer in the tray, and mix it with the brush handle that came with the kit. And I'm not going to use a lot because I don't have a lot of hair, so I don't need to use a lot. And plus, this stuff is going to last a while, so this is great that everything is in a tube. You can squeeze out what you need, and we can use this again to reapply later. This is like such a deal. One thing I will say, it does say to set your timer for 5 minutes. Everyone that I've seen do this says to at least leave it on for 10 minutes, because after 5 minutes, it's not really dark enough. They have to go back and reapply another application and then wait another 5 minutes. So we're just gonna go for 10. So let's get started. All right, so here's our tray. I don't even know if that's gonna be too little. I'm gonna put a little bit more. So like that. If you guys hear Chloe in the background, as usual, what I usually tell you guys, ignore it, forgive it. She's being her. We're just gonna squeeze equal parts. Let's mix this bad boy. Here's the little brush it comes with. It's got a nice little honey brown color developing there. And now, let me grab my mirror because I'm gonna try to face you guys and do this. I'm using this little Japanese brow brush I got from Ulta several years ago. Hold on one second. I found my little compact here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit. And, oh, I forgot to put the Vaseline on. I got excited. Hold on. I got excited. Let me take a little Vaseline and outline my brows. Yeah, Chloe. Yeah, give me 1 second. So I had to stop and let Chloe in, but I went ahead and put a little Vaseline around my brows, and now I'm just going to continue with the application. I'm going to start with a little bit and gradually build. I don't want to put a lot at the front of my brows. I really want to kind of have a natural look up there, but the tails do need some help. So hopefully I'm doing this right. I'm really kind of nervous but excited because I'm thinking it's gonna be okay. Okay, so it's the first one. See, this eyebrow has even less of a tail than the other. So,
Mommy, what are you gonna make?
I don't know how that's gonna look in the end, but we'll find out, won't we? Can you hand Mommy a Q-tip? If you're gonna be in here, might as well be my little helper. Just one, thanks. Just one, baby. Thank you. Go ahead and bring it to me.
Here you go, there's one for you.
Thank you, sweetie. Be careful, okay? I feel like the left brow is gonna give me problems. We're creating something that doesn't exist over here.
Mommy.
Yeah, baby. All right, you guys, I think I'm about done. I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer and we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's been right at 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take a damp cloth and just wash it out and see what happens. So if this was a beard, since it's a beard product, it says to rinse it out. I'm wiping. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm actually glad it's not super dark, but they are tinted. Tinted enough for me, so I don't really have to do a whole lot in the mornings. I actually like this. Okay, that was a perfect color for me. This might have been a better angle to film it anyways, guys. I'm sorry, but I wasn't thinking about it until right now. So yeah, I think I could have put a little bit more right here. And my brows are so uneven because they're so sparse. It's kind of hard to kind of like create that shape. I'm gonna say I'm happy with the results. That's a lot less I'll have to do in the mornings to get ready. So yeah, I actually might go back and put a little bit more at the front up here and let that sit for a second. I don't know. Let me see, because I don't know if I want to actually, I might just leave it alone, you guys. I really don't want to get crazy with it and do too much and then it comes out looking all jacked. So I'm going to leave it. That was super easy. I love it. I'm happy with it. I don't have to worry about waking up with no brows. I can't believe I'm just now trying this out. If any of you have any of your favorite products you use to tint your brows, let me know down below what they are. If you've ever tried using Just for Men to tint your brows, let me know about your experience with it. And if you haven't tried it and do, let me know down below. I would love to know how you guys' brows turn out. Super affordable. Last year when I went and got my brows done, I paid $20 just for them to tweeze it, tint it, and they left their stuff in it for like 5 minutes, if that. I feel like it was even less than that, like 3 minutes, I want to say. And everything washed out initially looking like this, and then like 2 days later, my brows were back to nothing. So I paid that, plus, you know, you gotta tip them, and this was just $8. You can do it yourself, and then you have all of this left. You can tint your brows as much as you want for $8. You know how many uses I'm gonna get out of this? This is insane. All right, you guys, enough rambling. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.